Yeah, I know. I want to get it, see if they have a candle. This holder's pretty. Just one. We're gonna share. As you guys just saw, I received a package from Coach Outlet, who is sponsoring today's video. I have a few different items to show, which I have lined up right here. I actually mostly picked up gifts for family and friends. If you're still looking for any last minute gift ideas, I feel like some of these can help you out. So definitely check out Coach Outlet from now until Christmas. They're actually having a sale with deals up to 70% off. So it's the perfect time to stock up on any gifts. Everything that I'm about to show is going to be linked in the description box for you guys to shop. So this is the first item I picked up. It's the mini Claire crossbody bag in a silver color. I think the silver color is really fun for the holidays. It has a snap closure, and then it actually has multiple pockets, which makes everything a lot more organized than some bags which just have one pocket. One of the pockets also does have a zipper. As for sizing, I feel like it's pretty good, especially for a smaller looking bag. It actually fits quite a bit. I have the biggest iPhone size, so the Pro Max, and it actually does fit the phone as well as some other items. You can carry it either like this with the shorter strap, or you can make it longer like a crossbody. So this next item is a zip card case. This one is going to be a gift for my mom. I feel like it's a very useful gift, and I know specifically for my mom, she kind of just throws all her stuff in her purse. So it has two different credit card slots, and then on the back it is clear, so you can put your ID so you don't have to constantly take that in and out. And then it does have a little zipper, which I really like, so you can put anything that's super important that you don't want to lose, or even coins. One thing that I did want to mention is Coach Outlet pieces are specifically made for Coach Outlet, so they are not leftover pieces from last season Coach. So you're still getting up-to-date styles, just at a more affordable price. It's kind of random because it's so tiny, but if you're not sure what this is, pretty much you're just supposed to attach it to a bag, kind of like a keychain, although you can't really fit much in it. It's just a cute little accessory. So this item is a scarf, and I feel like scarves are always a safe gift option. Clothing can sometimes be a little bit trickier if you don't know someone's size, but scarves are just one size, so you can't go wrong with that. This is the print. It's super soft and cozy, and I know for sure that my mom's gonna love this as a gift. So this is the Nora Kiss Lock crossbody bag. It's in this metallic silver. Unlock it like this. It does come with this detachable strap, or you can just carry it like a clutch. Again, for size reference, this is an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and it fits perfectly in the bag, and you can honestly fit a bunch of other stuff. You can fit hand sanitizer, mask. This is the last item I picked up, and it's a clothing item. And it's just this Sherpa half zip pullover. I thought this would be such a good gift. It is made out of recycled polyester, and I did get a size extra small. I'll go ahead and try this on just to show you guys like the fit of it. So those are all of the items that I got from Coach Outlet. CoachOutlet.com now offers Klarna, which allows you to split up your purchase into 4 interest-free payments. So you can buy now and pay later. You guys can shop all of the products that I showed with the links in the description box. And thank you again to Coach Outlet for sponsoring today's video. About to wrap some gifts, and these are the wrapping paper styles that we're using this year. If you guys saw the tree, it's all neutral tones like gold and silver, so I feel like these are going to be a really good match. These three right here are from Target, and then this one is from At Home. And then I actually barely have any tape left, so we'll just see how much gifts I can wrap with what's left. I only ended up wrapping 4 gifts because I ran out of tape. And honestly, I probably have to go back and tape these better because it's already coming off on the sides. So I ordered these disco balls from Amazon like a week ago to film some holiday outfits and just make it look more festive, but it's been super cloudy that I didn't even get to see how it would look, and honestly it's so cool. So finished cleaning everything up. As you can see here, it's like a little bit more organized. I'm not gonna leave the disco ball there, but I just wanted to see how it looked with the sun hitting it, and I think it looks super cool. I need to figure out where I want to put it. And then all of this stuff is just things I need to film, like all the sparkle stuff. So I do need to film holiday outfits soon. It's huge.
I like the noodles.
그냥 밥만 먹으면